Hello, in this video, we shall be looking at cubes of numbers. Cubes of numbers. Now, we have done the squares of numbers in our previous videos. And if you understood that lessons, which I believe you did, this will be very stress-free for you. This will be very much fun. So, let's get into it. Cubes of numbers. If someone asks you, what is the cube of 4, for example, what's the cube of 4? It means what will you get if you multiply 4 by itself 3 times? The cube of a number is the result or product you get when you multiply the given number. When you multiply the number by itself. By itself 3 times. 3 times. So, if you multiply a number by itself 3 times, what you get is the cube of that number. If you multiply a number by itself 3 times, what you get is called the cube of that number. That is the definition for cube of a number. So, how do you write the cube of a number? How do you write the cube of a number? Cube of, let's say, 4. Cube of 4. How do you write it? You write 4 like this, your normal 4, and you write small 3 at the top like this. This is how to write the cube of 4. And this means 4 raised to power 3. 4 raised to power 3. It doesn't mean 4 times 3. It means 4 times 4 times 4. 4 multiplying itself 3 times. So the special word for it is 4 cubed. So this is how to write cube of 4. So this is 4 cubed. And it means 4 times 4 times 4. And this will give you 64. So if someone asks you, what is the cube of 4? The cube of 4 is 64. Because if you multiply 4 by itself 3 times, you get 64. The cube of 1 is 1. Cube of 1. Let's write it. Cube of 1. Of course, it's written like this, meaning 1 raised to power 3. And the special word for it is a special number. This is 1 cube. And of course, it means 1 times 1 times 1. And that will give you 1. So the cube of 1 is 1. The cube of 2 is written as this. This means 2 times 2 times 2. And that will give you 8. Cube of 3 is written as 3 raised to the power 3. And this means 3 times 3 times 3. And this will give you 27. 27. The cube of 5, because we have done that of 4 here. Cube of 5 is written as this. Your normal 5 and a small 3 above it, somewhere here. And this means 5 times 5 times 5. And this will give you 125. So, if someone asks you the cube of a number, it simply means what will you get when you multiply that number by itself 3 times. So the cube of a number is very, very simple. So here on the board is the cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10. Just to get us acquainted with that. It's very important you try to know that. It will help you a lot. It will make your work faster in your tests and exams. So that is it. Cubes of numbers from 1 to 10. This is how to write cube of 1. Just the number, write 3 at the top, at the side here. Then this means this, and of course that will give you 1. So the same thing goes for all of them here. So I want to believe that this is simple enough and that this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.